Alright guys, first day Manila. I'm walking around on the streets of Manila and you see directly some super nice jeepneys here. Yeah, I'm on the way to some sightseeing here, to the Rizal Park and Taco Park or Paco Park, I think it's called. And I will meet my Aussie friend there. And there are a lot of transportation I could use, but today I'm going to choose a motorbike because it's the fastest option and it's still early in the morning. I don't know how much traffic there's outside, and a Filipino friend recommended me a super cool app. It is called, let me see, it's called I think you can't see, Angkes. It's only in the Philippines and it's like a Grab but for motorbikes. So I will try this app out. It's a cheaper option. And yeah, you can see this is a traditional way of the Philippines to go to work, to come around, and it's only like I think 10 cents or something, so nothing, but I will try this option later. Oh yeah, it's okay, don't worry. All right, let's take me a motorbike and go for a ride. Alright, quick update. I think it's harder than I expected to get a motorbike with this Angkes app because I tried it 3 or 4 times and it always says drivers are busy. So I will just walk around a little bit and see if I can catch a motorbike here because it looks like a pretty busy street. And if I don't get a motorbike, I maybe get a tricycle. That would be another option. So yeah, that's how Manila looks here. Let's see, I think in the blue shirt, this guy is a motorbike driver. I will catch him. Motorbike? Yes. Ah. Ah, he booked with Angus. That's why he has a blue shirt on. I saw that he's just driving around and catching people. Yeah, we'll just walk a little bit over there and give the app another try. Because this guy also booked an Angkes, and yeah. So let's see if I'm lucky. Otherwise, I'm walking. No, I'm joking. Because this is like 6 or 7 km from here. This is too far for walking, but I will just have a look around here in the back streets of Manila City. Some welders are working here, pretty nice. Yeah, the hygienic situation is not the best, but that's what I expected from the city, yeah. That's how the people are living here. Perfect. You have a small car wash here. Ah, he's washing the motorbikes here, as you can see. Alright, it's time to get a motorbike because my friend is waiting and I don't want to let him wait too long. Let's see, I will give it at the app another try. I will see you when I got my motorbike finally. Alright, I just got my motorbike finally after almost 10 tries or something. So my driver is 5 minutes away. Will be 20 minutes drive, I think, and I pay 130 pesos. That's half of the price what you pay for Grab. So if you want to save some money, download this app. It's very helpful, it's very convenient, and yeah, let's go for a motorbike ride here in the Philippines. I'm so excited. I miss this so much, and everyone is so friendly here. It's so nice. The street is pretty busy. It's just a small alley. You wouldn't expect it, but you see everything here. Bicycles, tricycles with a bike on the side. Maybe that's my driver? No, that's not my driver. Okay. Yeah, you see everything. Motorbikes, small
What
cars.
is your content?
My content?
Yes.
Vlogging, YouTube.
What kind of YouTube?
My YouTube?
Hey, what kind of vlog?
Vlogging Philippines. I start Philippines here. My first time. I'm back here. I was here 5 years ago, 2 times. And
Where
now
do you live here in Philippines?
Red Doors.
Red Doors.
Yeah, just there.
Ibang lista? Makati?
Just here like 5 minutes away, walking. Yeah. But I only stay 2 days in Manila, and then Cebu and nice beaches.
Very nice Philippines.
Nice Filipinas, yeah. Okay, see you later, brother. Are you working here?
Yes.
What's your work? Chef, salute. Let's have a look. What do we have? Chef, sulit. You have breakfast?
Yes, breakfast. Like spam silog, maling silog.
Maybe I come tomorrow morning for some breakfast.
Okay, sir. You must try here.
Okay, I will try. Alright, first motorbike ride in Manila. Finally. It took like 10 minutes to find a motorbike with this app, Anchors. That's why you have to choose a motorbike here. You can pass all the traffic. That's the fastest transportation. Anong pangalan mo? Nico. Nico? Yeah. Hey, I'm Andy. Welcome to the Philippines. Yes, welcome back. Oh, you came here before? Yeah, 2 times, but long time ago. Okay. driver.